Norman's going to go through the way that we use these 304s for the clutch. He'll give you advice on what gear to use and how to use it. So I'm going to pass over to Norman now and let him do the talking.
Okay, so basically we're in a confined area here. So you use a low gear, maybe first gear in the low range. Also, you need your engine revs, probably about 1200 revs on the rev counter. If it was soft ground, then I'd recommend using 4-wheel drive. But because it's hard surface here, you just need 2-wheel drive. So basically, you just gently push into the muck heap, and then with little revs.
And Sean's going to drive the tractor. The second the wheels begin to slip, he stops pushing. As he comes into the heap, he's got his foot fully off the clutch, not riding it whatsoever. Nice, smooth, distinct actions.